Tired of hunting around in PayPal trying to add a card? Let's cut to the chase and show you exactly where that option is hiding. Alright, first things first, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account. You'll usually land on your summary page, which looks something like this. Now, look for the settings icon. It usually looks like a little gear or cog wheel. It's typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to your account settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for the option labeled Payments and give that a click. You should now be on the Payment Methods page. Here, you'll see any cards or bank accounts you already have linked to your PayPal account. To add a new card, look for a button that says something like Link a Card, Link a New Card, or Add a Card. It's usually positioned prominently on the page. Click that button, and a form will pop up asking for your card details. This will include your card number, expiration date, and the CVV security code on the back of your card. Double-check all the information you've entered to make sure it's accurate, and then click the Save or Link Card button at the bottom of the form. And that's it. Your card is now linked to your PayPal account. You should see it displayed on your Payment Methods page along with your other payment options. Now you can easily use it for your online purchases.